All right, so let's talk about these cameras real quick. This is a triple camera setup, including the main unit, 64 megapixel Sony sensor. There's also an ultra wide on there, 8 megapixels if you want an even wider field of view, up to 119 degrees. You can zoom in a little bit. Of course, it's a crop, and then you also have a macro lens in there for super close-ups. It's only a 2 megapixel unit with an aperture of f2.4. There's a super resolution mode, 64 megapixels, and then you've also got slow motion built in there as well. If you want to take some slow-mo shots for video, there's a night mode, which is also a must in the flagship department at this point. Inside of here, you got the Snapdragon 888. You're going to want to be able to take some night mode photos. You can do that over here. Front-facing camera. As you can see, a little selfie example. You can do the beard hair count yourself if you're interested in those kinds of things. And here's an example of slow-mo. So here is the selection for video modes up to 4K, of course also 1080p supported. There is some stabilization built in. Here you can see 4K video recording at 30 FPS.